It's been a long time since I've been to the Artusa's all-county offices, and now they've had a complete office refurb. So I'm going to check out the offices of all county to see what they look like today. This is Peter. Say hi, Peter.
Bloody hell. Now you're gonna sweat, dude, because no AC. It's fucking window time.
Peter asked what my t-shirt size was. Large, I said. Why is that? Because you're gonna wear a shit shirt. See this shirt? There's another company. It's quite a clever idea, actually. Dog poop happens, and he says I'm cleaning shit up today.
Picking up shit.
I'm not picking up no shit.
100 degrees today.
No way, dude. Coffee time first. Breakfast.
Give me 2 minutes.
Pete wants me to do this so he gets a free coffee tomorrow. Check these offices out. All counties offices. This is David's. Hey, David. Hey. It's a lovely place it's got here. Look. And then we got this office over here. Who's this office? Oh, it's him. It's that guy. Hey, Liz. Say hello. This is the kitchen area. And then Liz's office is over here. Let's have a look. This is Liz's office. Nice. And they have a nice little meeting room here. Let's have a look. There's a light switch. Nice little board meeting room where Pete kicks everybody's ass. No, I'm only joking. And then a nice little, where are we? What would you say this room is then, Liz? It's the money room.
The money room.
And they put all the money on the shelf over here. This is where it all goes. He's got loads of things here. Check this out. All the marketing stuff all laid out here. And the biggest thing is this logo here. Nice.
So me and Tyler are heading down to downtown Warwick.
Oh my God.
It's a protest about the whole immigration crisis that's going on in the country.
There are a lot of people, so we're going to check it out. Tyler, does that happen a lot?
Does this?
Yeah.
This is the first time I've seen an immigration rally in Warwick, but we do tend to have a lot of Second Amendment.
Only in America.